Gather around, little ones. It's time for our bedtime story.
Story time! Is it about Christmas?
On Christmas Eve, Santa Claus travels around the world bringing gifts to good children everywhere.
Do you think Santa is real?
Of course he is. Mama says so. Santa knows when children are sleeping and when they're awake, so you must all go to bed soon.
But I want to see Santa.
If you're awake, he won't come, remember?
Must stay awake. See, Santa?
They're finally asleep. Sweet dreams, my little angels. What was that sound? Could it be? Is it really?
Ho, ho, ho! What a cozy home!
Santa Claus, you're really real. You're actually here.
Of course I'm real, dear Mama Cat. And I've heard you've been very good this year, taking such wonderful care of your little ones. I have special gifts for all your little ones.
They've all been such good kittens. They help me decorate the tree and they always share their toys.
I know, I've been watching.
Mama? Who's Mama talking to? Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho! Well, well, I thought you were all asleep. Come closer, little ones. Don't be shy. I've been wanting to meet you all year.
Really, Santa Claus?
From the North Pole?
I certainly am. And you must be Orange Kitten. I've heard you're very brave and helpful. You're so warm and nice.
It's real. It's really real and so fluffy.
Indeed it is. I've been growing it for many, many years.
Thank you. Thank you for making their dreams come true.
Now then, I believe I have something special for each of you. Let's see. This one is for Orange Kitten, the brave and helpful one.
For me? Really for me? Thank you, Santa. Thank you.
And these are for Tuxedo, White Kitten, and both Gray Tabby twins. You've all been such good kittens.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you. A race car. Just what I wanted. It's so soft and cuddly.
Look, it has puzzles.
Santa, I don't know how to thank you enough. You've made them so happy. You've made all their dreams come true.
Dear Mama Cat, you've been the greatest gift of all to these little ones. Your love and care is what...
Oh my, time certainly flies when you are having fun. I am afraid I must continue.
Do you really have to go?
Can't you stay a little longer?
Please don't leave yet.
Come here, little ones. Let Santa give you all a big Christmas hug before he goes. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Goodbye, Santa.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Safe travels, Santa. Thank you for everything. Come on, team. We have many more stops to make tonight. On Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer and Vixen. On Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. And Rudolph, light the way.
Look! They're about to fly!
Watch carefully, little ones. Witness the magic.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
What a magical Christmas Eve. One you will remember forever.
Best Christmas ever!
Sleep well, my darlings. Dream of magical sleigh rides.
Thank you, Santa, for giving them the magic of believing.
It really happened. Santa really came. Look, our presents are still here.
It wasn't a dream. What do we say about our special Christmas visit?
Thank you, Santa. Merry Christmas, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed our magical Christmas story.
Santa Claus is real if you believe.
Don't forget to subscribe to see more of our adventures. Hit the bell for notifications. And share the Christmas magic. Merry Christmas! Happy holidays! Believe in the magic!
May Santa visit all your homes too.
What a perfect morning to pick flowers! Roses smell wonderful in the morning.
Mama, the garden is so pretty. Look at all the colors.
Today, we'll pick flowers and learn about each one. See the sunflowers? They're yellow like the sun.
Wow! It's taller than Mama!
Can we pick flowers too?
Tulips come in many colors. These pink ones are especially lovely.
It smells so sweet and fresh.
Pick gently and only what we need. Leave plenty for the bees and butterflies.
Mama, look! I did it!
Beautiful work, my dear. So gentle and careful.
I love the pink ones best.
Wonderful. Let's arrange them by color.
It's like a rainbow. Hi! Come pick flowers with us. Mama teaches us about all the different flowers. It's so fun.
These blue ones. Then they match my eyes.
Hold the stem here, gently, then snap cleanly like this.
You did it! Hooray!
I really did it.
Wow, so many pretty flowers. Come see all the colors. We're making a rainbow bouquet. Everyone can help.
These smell amazing.
Look, a butterfly friend. Nature is meant to be shared and enjoyed by everyone.
Good morning. What a beautiful garden you have.
Good morning. Would you like to join us? We're picking flowers. Thank you. I love gardens and flowers.
I remember feeling just like that. I can help. Hi. I brought you a flower. The others are really nice, I promise. See? It matches both our eyes. We can be flower friends together.
Will they really want me to join?
They helped me. They'll love you too.
Welcome to our garden, sweet lamb. Every friend makes it more beautiful.
Welcome.
Lavender has a calming scent. Smell it gently like this.
We're making the biggest rainbow ever.
Look what we created together. Every flower, every color, every friend made this beautiful.
Come join us. We're picking flowers.
There's room for everyone.
What beautiful flowers! And what kind friends you all are.
This is tricky. I'll help you.
We all look like princes and princesses. What a perfect day in the garden. Time to head home, my dears.
Take some home to remember our beautiful day together.
Thank you for teaching me about flowers and friendship.
This was a beautiful day.
Same time tomorrow?
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you. I love flowers now, Mama.
And I love having friends to pick them with.
Days spent in nature with those we love. These are life's sweetest flowers.
Thank you for joining our garden adventure. Remember to appreciate nature's beauty.
Time for bed, little ones.
Add a 1. Time for bed, little ones.
Sweet dreams, my babies.
Stars above will guard your dreams. The night is soft, the moon is near. Close your eyes, let worries go. Tomorrow brings another day. Dream of fields where you can play. And when you wake, I'll be here still. My precious ones, I love you so.
Thank you for joining our bedtime story. Please subscribe to see more adventures.
Mew mew. Subscribe, like, share.
Today, we're gonna make beautiful music.
Wow!
Would you like to try? Perfect! You did it! Music is even better when we make it together. Listen carefully. Now you try. We're making music.
Music brings us together.
Thank you for watching our musical adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.
I get the red ball first. Mine. I got it first. I wanted to play with that too.
Maybe Coco will share later? I see little Coco has some learning to do today.
This is so fun! Best toy ever! Oh no! My airplane is stuck up there! It's too high! Coco, can you help me? I can't reach my airplane! Just a minute.
Oh. Okay. I guess I'll try by myself.
Where is it? Where did I put my favorite ribbon? We'll help you look. Coco, please help me find my ribbon. I can't find it anywhere.
Can't right now, I'm playing. You'll find it eventually.
Oh. Okay. I understand. Push, push.
It's too heavy.
Coco, come help us move this box. We need your help. You two can do it. I'm busy. I guess we're on our own.
So much for friends helping friends. I think it's time for Coco to learn an important lesson.
Coco, little one, I need to talk with you.
Have you noticed your friends today, Coco? Have you seen what they're going through?
My friends? They're just playing, aren't they? Oh no, they needed help, and I didn't.
It's okay, sweetheart. You didn't see before, but now you do. The question is, what will you do now?
I'll help them. I'll help all of them, starting right now. Tuxedo, I'm coming. I'll help you. I've got you. Reach just a little more.
I can almost reach it. Got it.
Thank you, Coco. Thank you so much. You're a wonderful friend. You're welcome. And?
Wow, helping you made Emmy feel good too.
White kitten. Don't worry. I'll help you find your ribbon. Let's check over here. When did you last see it?
This morning by the roses. Oh, I'm so glad you're helping.
Found it! Here it is. Oh, Coco, you found it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Helping feels even better than I thought. I want to help more. Great, Tabbies! here to help. Let's move that box together. 1, 2, 3, bed, P-U-H. Push, push, push. It's moving. We did it! Teamwork. Yes! Thank you for helping us, Coco.
We couldn't have done it without you.
That's what friends are for. Help! Someone help! I'm stuck! Come on, everyone. Puppy needs our help. We have to work together.
What should we do, Coco?
Everyone pull together. On 3.
1, 2, 3, pull, pull, pull. It is working. Keep going.
You saved me. You all saved me. We did it together.
Thank you, Coco. You could have kept playing, but you helped me instead. You're a true friend.
Oh, Coco, I'm so proud of you. You learned the most important lesson of all.
When we help others, something magical happens. We don't just make them happy, we make ourselves happy too.
I understand now, Mama. Playing alone was fun, but helping my friends, that made my heart feel warm. And when Coco helped me, I felt so happy.
Me too. Not being alone made everything better.
Friends helping friends is the best. What a beautiful day. And Coco learned that the best toy of all is having friends to share with and help.
Remember, dear friends, when we help others, we help ourselves. A helping hand makes everyone's heart